Jobber you, bro. Starter vi der.
In a couple of days, I'll be competing in my first drone race ever. I've been competing in strength sports for quite a few years, but never in a sport like this. So I'm not exactly sure what to expect, but I hope there's going to be adrenaline, nerves, all that good stuff. I'm super excited. That's why I'm getting a few practice packs in, so I feel ready. Not sure who and how many is going to compete. I'm not sure if it's going to be running to get more packs. I'm not sure if it's going to be slow. No idea. I have no idea even how it works. I'm just showing up, see how it goes.
48 hours later.
It is time. Race day is here. Can't say that I'm not a little stressed out, but that's jitters, competition jitters. Just normal. If you're not a little nervous before a competition, are you even in competition mode? That's the question. I think we're 12 people flying in heats of 3. No big prize money, nothing like that, but we got some cool stuff from the only FPV supplier we have, Elefun. That's very nice of them to give us some of their stash. Hopefully this will be the first out of many races that we can host. So it's 7 in the morning, the race starts at 9. People from the club and me are headed there now to put up gates, take out chairs, tents, etc. It's gonna be super hot today, so we need to stay cool. We need some shade. It's gonna be exciting. I'm looking forward to this. Okay, I gotta speed up and I'll see you on the field. Ja, del.
Starter vi der.
Heats are done. The finals are starting. The heats went, well, it started out bad, but it turned out good at the end. Not even close to top 5, but still really fun. Really fun. There's no time for food, no time for snacks, so I'm just grabbing it while I can. And I'll, overexposed. I'll come back to you later when we're done. finals has started. I'm out, but I think I bumped up 3 heats or something like that. Very happy. It's gonna be fun to see how it ends.
Yo, get the speaker box loud, hitting that spot, still hearing that sound.
Folks. Hur du har det?
You bro.
5 o'clock now. It's been a long and hot day, but it's been so much fun. This was my first ever race, and I was shocked of how fast it all went, from heat to qualifier to final to bump ups to whatever. I wasn't managed to film a lot in between, and that's a good reason for that. I was super stressed out. The competition didn't start out too good with the qualifying rounds. The warm-up packs were okay, but once the beep came, the start, jitters straight away, nervous, overshooting, didn't hit the dive gap, total mess. So after the qualifier, I was down on 10th or 11th place because I couldn't even finish 3 laps. I think I maybe finished 1 or 2 at max. But all of a sudden, all the stress went away. I had focused more on having fun. I became more consistent. I think I bumped myself up to 6th place. I'm quite happy with that. Really happy, actually. Super high level on the top. Top 3 was like the best in Norway. They're soon off to China for the Worlds. So no chance in hell to compete on their league yet. But it was really fun watching the final with the guys, the pro racers. That was intense. Back to back battling, hitting each other midair. It's just in the minor details. One wrong turn or one wrong degree, whatever, and you lose a spot. It was that close. I think the difference between the two on the top was a 10th of a second, something like that. It was crazy tight, but super fun. Long day. This was the first competition that our club hosted, and we're gonna host many more. A huge shout out to Elefun that gave us some prizes to give away, some stuff, keychains, t-shirts, hoodie, bag, battery straps, yeah, all the good stuff. Thank you so much for giving us something to give to the winners, and hopefully we will have another race coming in August. We had really good feedback from the other pilots. People drove several hours to get to the competition because there's not a lot of competitions for the racing in Norway. All in all, thanks. It was fun. I'm definitely gonna race again. Yeah. If you have a competition near you and you haven't competed before, go try it out. It's a little scary, but it's so much fun. And all the people around, it's a blast. Go race, have fun. See you in the next one.